If you don't like memorizing formulas but still want to ace trigonometry, then let's solve this problem step by step. Here's the question. Sine theta is positive, tan theta equals negative 2/3. We need to find sin theta times cos theta. First, let's figure out the quadrant. Sine is positive and tangent is negative. That means we're in the second quadrant. Next, let's set up our triangle. We have opposite equals sine 2 and adjacent equals sine 3. To find the hypotenuse, we use the Pythagorean theorem. So r equals the square root of 2 squared plus negative 3 squared. That's 13. Now we calculate the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse, so 2 over 13. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 3 over 13. Finally, multiply them together. Sin theta times cos theta equals 2 over 13 multiplied by 3 over 13. Simplify that, and you get 6 over 13. And there you have it. Final answer, 6/13. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math magic.